Hello everyone, good morning. This is your maths class for today. Students, now we will continue your previous exercise. So question number 4 is here. In an isosceles right angle triangle, find the measure of two acute angles. Okay student, that means एक isosceles right angle triangle में आपको measure करना है उसके two acute angles. Is that clear? So students, first of all, it is a isosceles right angle triangle. Okay students, in right angle triangle one angle is 90 degree and in isosceles triangle which having two equal sides. Okay student, is that clear? So that means ये two side क्या है? Equal. Okay students, so आपको find करना है acute angle. Okay, is that clear? So students, let's the measure of two acute angle are, yes, that will be one is x and second one is x. Why? Students, क्योंकि अगर ये टू साइड इक्वल है तो इनका जो अपोजिट एंगल होगा वो भी इक्वल होगा. दैट मीन्स अगर ये x है तो ये भी x होगा, क्योंकि दैट मीन्स जो टू साइड है वो इक्वल है, सो इनके अपोजिट एंगल भी क्या होंगे? इक्वल. इज दैट क्लियर? ओके. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इन ट्राइंगल ABC you all know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. So here angle A is x and angle B is 90 degree and angle C is x is equal to 180. Okay students, so that is x plus x, that is 2x plus 90 is equal to 180 degrees. Here 2x is equal to 180 minus 90, that is 90 degrees. Okay students, so here x is equal to 90 upon 2, that is 45 degrees. Okay students, that means yes, two acute angles are, yes, that is 45 degree and that is 45 degrees. Okay, so that is your answer. Okay, now the next question is question number 5. In the figure find yz. Okay, so that means जो figure given है आपको इसमें yz find करनी है. Okay student, so student, this is a triangle xyz. Okay student, so आपके पास xy given है, xz given है and आपको yz find करनी है. Okay students, so in triangle xyo, xyo. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो ये कौन सा ट्राइंगल है स्टूडेंट्स? राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल. ओके, इज दैट क्लियर? सो स्टूडेंट्स, आपके पास हाइपोटेनस भी है, परपेंडिकुलर भी है एंड बेस आपके पास नहीं है. इज दैट क्लियर? सो स्टूडेंट, दैट मीन्स हाइपोटेनस स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू बेस स्क्वायर प्लस परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट, दिट इज द हाइपोटेनस, दिस इज ऑल्सो हाइपोटेनस and this is perpendicular and students this is base. Okay, so here students, according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to, that is 13 square is equal to base square, we don't have base, base is here yo. Okay students, perpendicular is here 12 square. Okay, so that is 13 square, that is 169 and that is yo square, and plus 12 square, that is 144. So here 169 minus 144 is equal to yo square. Okay, so that is 9 minus 4, that is 5, and that is 6 minus 4, that is 25. Yo square. Okay students, so yo is equal to the square root of 25. And students, what is the square root of 25? That is 5. Okay students, so that is 5 centimeter is yo. Okay, so students, ये कितना है? 5 centimeter. Okay, so students, in triangle XOZ, so students, same here, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Okay, so hypotenuse is here 15, so 15 square, perpendicular is here same, that is 12 square, and we don't have base, or we can write as OZ. Okay, so student, 15 square is 225 is equal to 12 square is 144 plus OZ square. Okay, so that is 225 minus 144 is equal to OZ square. So student, that is 5 minus 4, that is 1, and 2 minus 4, that is 12 minus 4, that is 8, and is equal to OZ square. So students, OZ is equal to the square root of 81, and you all know that what is the square root of 81, that is 9 centimeter. Okay students, so here OZ is 9 centimeter. Okay, so students, we have to find the value of YZ. So here YZ is equal to students YO plus OZ. Okay, so YO is here 5 and OZ is here 9. So that means 9 and 5, 14 centimeter. So students, YZ is here 14 centimeter. Okay students, okay. Now the next question is question number 6. A ladder is placed in such a way that it's reached to a window 15 meter high on placing it against a wall at a certain distance. Okay, if the length of the ladder is 39 meters, so find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall. Okay student, that means एक लेडर है, लेडर मीन्स सीढ़ी. ओके, वो ऐसे प्लेस की गई है कि उस तक पहुंचने के लिए जो विंडो है मीन्स वो 15 मीटर हाई है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, स्टूडेंट्स जो अब लेडर की लेंथ है वो गिवन है 39 मीटर एंड आपको इसकी डिस्टेंस बतानी है जो लेडर है लेडर से वॉल तक की. इज दैट क्लियर? सो स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स सपोज it is a ladder. Okay students, is that clear? Okay students, so ये ladder की height and ये ladder के foot. Okay students, जो ladder की height length है वो given है 39 मीटर. Okay students, so ये जो ladder है वो place कैसे की गई है students? इस way में placed की गई है कि जो उसकी विंडो है, दैट मीन्स जो यहाँ पर विंडो है वो 15 मीटर हाई है एक सर्टेन डिस्टेंस, दैट मीन्स इससे. सो ये क्या है 15 मीटर हाई. ओके, इज दैट क्लियर? सो स्टूडेंट्स, अब आपको फाइंड करना है, फाइंड द डिस्टेंस ऑफ द फुट ऑफ द लैडर. ओके स्टूडेंट, दैट इज से फ्रॉम द वॉल. सो दैट मीन्स जो ये वॉल है इससे आपको लैडर के फुट की ये डिस्टेंस फाइंड करनी है. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट, दैट इज ए, बी एंड सी. सो स्टूडेंट्स, ए सी इज हेयर ladder and which is equal to 39 meter, and student, this is a wall that is 15 meter and that is the distance between the foot of the ladder from the wall. Okay students, is that clear? Okay student, so students, in triangle ABC, ladder, that means AC is here 39 meter, BC, that means wall, okay, that is 15 meter, and student distance, yes, distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall, that is x. Okay students, ऐसा हमने let किया है. Okay, so students, in triangle APC, that is the hypotenuse, that is the, yes, perpendicular, and student, that is the base. So according to Pythagoras theorem, yes, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So students, hypotenuse is here 39 meter square, and base that means x square, and perpendicular that means 15 square. So student, that is 39 square. So 1521 is equal to x square, that is 15 square, that is 225. Okay students, so here 1521 minus 225 is equal to x square. So students, we can write as x square is equal to, so students, x is equal to the square root of 1296. Okay, so students, ये किसका स्क्वायर रूट होगा? So students, आप यहाँ से फाइंड भी कर सकते हैं. Yes, 1296. So 2 6 is 12, and that is 2 4 is 8, 2 8 is 16. Now 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8. 2 1 is 2, 2 6 is 12, 2 2 is 4. 2 8 is 16, 2 1 is 2, and that is 3, 2 is 6, and that is 3 7 is 21, 3 9 is 27, 3 3 is 9, and that is. Okay students, so there are 1 2 3 4. So students, here 2 2 3 3. So that means 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, that is 36. Okay students, that means x is equal to 36 सेंटीमीटर. ओके स्टूडेंट, दैट मीन्स जो डिस्टेंस थी वो कितनी है 36 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, हैंस द डिस्टेंस yes of the foot of the ladder from wall, that is 36 centimeter. So student, that is your answer. Okay, so students, now question number 7. How much shorter is to walk diagonally across a rectangular field 40 meter length and 30 meter breadth than along two of its adjacent side? Okay student, that means आपके पास एक rectangular field है like this. Here length is 40 meter and breadth is 30 meter. Okay students, so what is the length of diagonal? So students, if it is 30, that will be also 30. Okay, because in rectangle two opposite sides are equal. Okay, so that is also 40. Okay, so now we can find easily the diagonal. Okay students, so students, in triangle ABD, yes, that is x. So students, x square is equal to 30 square and that is 40 square. Okay, so x square is equal to 3 3s are 9 and 100 and 4 4s are 16 and 100. So that means x square is equal to 2500, or we can write as, so here x is equal to 50. So student, that is 50 meter. Okay students, so x is here 50 meter. So students, when he walk along the two of its adjacent sides, that means that is 70 meter. Okay, and when he walk along diagonally, that is 50 मीटर. सो स्टूडेंट्स, कौन सा वे शॉर्टर होगा? फ्रेंड्स, जो उसने डिस्टेंस शॉर्टर डिस्टेंस. सो स्टूडेंट्स, शॉर्टर डिस्टेंस, दैट मीन्स जो उसने सेव किया वो डिस्टेंस कितनी होगी? 70 माइनस 50, दैट इज 20 मीटर. सो स्टूडेंट, दैट इज योर आंसर. Is that clear? So okay students, okay, so now that's all for today. And students, if you have any doubt in any questions, so you can contact or message to me. Thank you. Have a nice day.